Tea tree essential oil is one of the most extensively researched and widely used essential oils in the world. In this video, we'll share everything you need to know about this vanity cabinet must-have. With incredible cleansing properties and a bright, refreshing scent, this oil is a go-to for freshening skin, hair, and home. Tea tree oil is extracted from the leaves of the Melaleuca Alternifolia tree, which is native to Australia. Good day, indeed. This all-around favorite essential oil comes from the steam distillation of the plant's needle-like leaves. Once distilled, the oil can be used for dozens of topical and aromatic applications. Does tea tree sound too good to be true? Here's a handful of our favorite benefits. Musky and pleasant odors can find their way into any home. Use cleaning solutions infused with tea tree to clear the air and keep things fresh. Tackle your chore list with a DIY all-purpose cleaner. You'll be left with shining surfaces and a clean, fresh scent. Make laundry day your favorite part of the week, thanks to the light, crisp fragrance of this easy-to-use oil. Scrub away soap scum with ease, so your everyday shower can feel as luxurious as a spa retreat. Breathe in a refreshing, relaxing aroma during your vinyasas. Make your yoga mat zen ready by spritzing a DIY mat cleanser on the surface. A good night's sleep calls for a calming, fresh aroma with a DIY linen spray. Get cozy under scented covers and prepare for sweet dreams. Cleanse and hydrate at the same time. Add tea tree oil to your skincare regimen to bash blemishes and maintain a fresh face. When you're in need of some pampering, use tea tree to bring spa vibes to the comfort of your own home. Treat yourself to a luxurious and relaxing foot bath. Then follow up with a nourishing nail treatment. The perfect at-home spa day is about so much more than mani-pedi treatments, though. To pamper like a pro, ditch toxin-laden deodorants and replace them with tea tree for a natural remedy that reduces body odor. Looking for a quick and easy way to amp up your hair's moisture and shine? Try one of these tricks for healthy-looking locks. Dive deep into hydration with an oil mask. Infuse your shampoo with 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil a few times a week to show your scalp some love. You can find the fresh cleansing benefits of tea tree essential oil in a range of Young Living products. Experience the bright, clean aroma in our purification and Melrose blends and soothing animal scents products. For more information on tea tree essential oil and more ways to bring plant-based wellness into your home, visit our website at youngliving.com.